Good morning, class 5th. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, this is your maths period. Take out your maths notebook and put today's date, which is 17th of August 2020. Then write down exercise 4B. Today we'll do second question from exercise 4B. Now write down add and note down part A. Part A is 6 1 by 8 plus 4 3 by 4. Note it down. So, this is 6 1 by 8 plus 4 3 by 4. This is in mixed fraction. So, firstly we will change it into proper or improper fraction. So 8 6 are 48, 48 plus 1 49. So 49 upon 8 plus 4 4s are this is 8. So 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 3 35 by 8. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, डू यू रिमेंबर, मैंने आपको बताया था अगर किसी का न्यूमरेटर सेम हो तो हम डिनोमिनेटर को, डू यू रिमेंबर, अगर किसी का डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो तो उसका न्यूमरेटर हम ऐड कर देते हैं. सो 49 प्लस 35 अपॉन 8. सो ऐड 49 एंड 35 in rough. So 49 plus 35 is equal to 84 upon 8. Now both the numbers we can divide by 4. So 4 2s are 8 and 4 2s are 8 and 4 1s are 4. So this is 21 by 2. Now we have to write it in mixed fraction, right? So divide it here. 21 2 2 1s are 2, subtract 0, copy down 1, 2 zeros are 0, subtract 1 minus 0 1. So कैसे बताया था मैंने, क्या फॉर्मूला बताया था? Quotient which is 10, remainder which is 1 upon divisor which is 2. So quotient, remainder upon divisor. Complete this question. This is part A. Then note down part B. Part B is 2 7 by 10 plus 3 1 by 3. This is in mixed fraction, so change it. 10 2s are 20, 20 plus 7 27 upon 10 plus 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10 upon 3. Now in this question denominators are different, so take LCM. Ten and 3. So 3 1s are 3, 10 as it is. Now 2 5s are 10, 1 as it is. Now 5 1s are 5, 1. So LCM is equals to 3 into 2 into 5. So 3 2s are 6 and 6 5s are 30. So LCM कितना आ गया है हमारा? 30. So now 27 upon 10 plus 10 upon 3. Now 10 के टेबल में 30 कब आता है? 10 3s are 30. So नीचे 3 से मल्टीप्लाई, so न्यूमरेटर में भी 3 से मल्टीप्लाई. Now 3 के टेबल में 30 कब आता है? 10s are 30. नीचे मल्टीप्लाई तो न्यूमरेटर भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. नाउ 27 3s are, 27 को हम 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो 27 3s are 81. So 81 upon 10 3s are 30 plus 10 10s are 100 upon 3 10s are 30. Now denominator is same, so we will simply add them. 81 plus 100 upon 30. So 81 plus 100 is equals to 181 upon 30. Now we have to change it into mixed fraction, mixed numeral. So divide 181 by 30. So 36 are 180. Subtract 1 minus 0 1, 8 minus 8 0, and 1 minus 1 0. So quotient, which is 6, remainder, which is 1, upon divisor, which is 30. So answer is 6 1 by 30. Complete this question. Now note down part E. Part E. 10 1 by 8 plus 1 1 by 2 plus 5 3 by 4 plus 9 3 by 8. So these fractions are in mixed fraction. So change it. 8 10s are 80. 80 plus 1, 81 upon 8. Plus 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3 upon 2. Plus 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 3, 23 by 4. Plus 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 3, 75 by 8. Okay. Now take LCM because denominators are different. So 8 2 4 8. Firstly 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and 2 4s are 8. Again 2 2s are 4, 1 as it is, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 1s are 2, 1 1 and 1. So LCM is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 is equals to 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So अब हम सबके डिनोमिनेटर को क्या बनाएंगे? 8. So first one is 81 upon 8. इसका डिनोमिनेटर ऑलरेडी 8 है. So next 3 upon 2 plus 23 upon 4 plus 75 upon 8. इसका भी डिनोमिनेटर 8 है तो ये भी ऐसे ही रहेगा. नाउ 2 के टेबल में 8 कब आता है? 4s are. 2 4s are 8. नीचे मल्टीप्लाई तो ऊपर भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 4 के टेबल में 8 कब आता है? 4 2s are 8. नाउ सॉल्व दिस. 81 upon 8. 3 4s are 12 upon 8 plus 23 2s are 46 upon 8 plus 75 upon 8. Now denominators are same, so simply add all the numerators. 81 plus 12 plus 46 plus 75 upon 8. Now add all the numbers. 81 plus 12 plus 46 plus 75 is equals to 214 upon 8. Now both the numbers we can divide by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 0. 2 7s are 14. You can divide it in rough. So this is 107 upon 4. Now we have to convert in mixed numeral. So divide 107 by 4. 4 2s are 8. Subtract 10 minus 8, 2. Now copy down 7. 4 6 are 24. Subtract again. 7 minus 4, 3. So quotient which is 26, remainder which is 3 upon divisor which is 4. So this is the answer. Okay. Now complete this question. Now children, mark your homework. Open your maths book and come to page number 58, question number 2. You have to do part C, part D and part F as homework. Okay. Part C, part D and part F of exercise 4B on page number 58 are your homework for today. You have to do these questions in your notebook. Okay. So that's all for today's class. Thank you so much class. Take care. Bye-bye.